everyone, let's delve into the fascinating world of inductively coupled plasma optical emission spectroscopy, or icp-oes for short. First off, what is icp-oes? icp-oes, short for inductively coupled plasma optical emission spectrometry, is a powerful technique used to determine the composition of elements in samples, especially those dissolved in water. It has been commercially available since 1974 and is widely applied in both routine research and specific analysis purposes due to its reliability, multi-element options, and high throughput. How it works? icp-oes works by exciting atoms or ions using argon plasma and measuring the intensity of the light emitted when electrons return to their ground state. This emitted light is used to calculate the concentration of specific elements in a solution based on a calibration graph. Instrumentation. Plasma torch maintains the plasma and introduces the sample into the plasma using an injector. Radio frequency generator feeds energy to the plasma at frequencies of 27 or 40 MHz. Sample insertion system includes a peristaltic pump, atomizer, gas stream, and spray chamber to deliver and atomize the sample. Transfer optics transmit radiation to the dispersing optics. Monochromator polychromator separates wavelengths either sequentially or simultaneously to distinguish adjacent lines. Detector utilizes a CID or CCD sensor to detect emitted signals. Application. icp-oes is particularly useful in analyzing complex samples such as trace elements in the human brain, chemical composition of electronic cigarettes, pesticide screening, and assessing pharmaceutical compound purity. It finds routine utility in analyzing drinking water, wine, and petrochemicals throughout the discovery, extraction, and purification processes. Working method. icp-oes uses inductively coupled plasma to excite atoms in the sample. Argon gas supplied by a generator energizes the plasma, reaching temperatures of 5000 to 10,000 K. The sample is injected into the plasma, vaporizing quickly. Excited gas molecules emit electromagnetic radiation used for analysis. Transfer optics direct radiation to optics for wavelength separation. Detector registers intensity of each wavelength, proportional to analyte concentration. Calibration standards help establish a relationship between radiation and concentration. Safety considerations. Electrical hazards. High voltages require authorized engineers for maintenance. Safety devices and interlocks must not be disabled. Opening instrument covers with power on exposes live components. Capacitors may remain charged even after disconnection. Radio frequency. High amounts of RF energy are generated and should not be tampered with. Safety interlocks prevent operation if shields or covers are open. Hot surfaces and gases. Torch components remain hot after plasma shutdown. Avoid touching hot surfaces and allow time to cool down. Ensure efficient venting of hot and corrosive gases. UV radiation. Safety interlock shuts off plasma source if sample compartment is opened. Use protective UV eyewear to prevent eye damage. Drain system. Regularly empty the drain system to prevent explosion or fire. Monitor drain tubing for deterioration. Gases. Handle argon and ammonia with care to prevent accidents and suffocation. Chemical hazards. Handle corrosive acids and solvents with caution. Adopt closed system digestions when possible. General safety instructions. Only use liquid samples. Operate within defined time limits and environmental conditions. Ensure proper ventilation and operating media. Never disable safety devices. Follow manufacturer's instructions for cleaning and maintenance. Wear tight-fitting laboratory clothing. Do not operate the instrument under faulty conditions. Check gas supply line regularly for leaks or damage. Provide adequate ventilation and fresh.
This is all about today's topic. Thanks for watching Funny EHS info. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to get immediate notification of our videos. Share our videos to your friends and colleagues to create safety awareness. If you have any questions and requirements, please comment in comment box.